Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to do the open shell stripes pattern. Super fun. So to get started, you'll just need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, check down in the description below for a link on my video of how to do that stitch. Now to get started, you want to do multiples of 5 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick 15 plus 1 chains for a total of 16. Once you have your chains, you want to chain 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook you want to work 2 double crochets, followed by a chain 2 and work 2 double crochets in that same spot. See how that turns out? Then you want to chain 2, you want to skip 4, and in the 5th chain, we want to repeat the same pattern. So 2 double crochets, followed by chain 2, 2 more double crochets in the same chain space. And we do have Yuki enjoying our camera today, so we're going to have some cat interference for this video, but we'll work through it. Gotta love having a fuzzy little friend. Alright, so again we want to chain 2, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain we want to do our repeat. So it's 2 double crochets, she was just wanting all the 11s. So 2 double crochets, there she goes. Oh, now she's on my yarn. Hold on. All right. So 2 double crochets, followed by a chain 2, and then 2 double crochets again in the same spot. And I realized at this point my camera was all out of whack, so let's get that fixed, shall we? Alright, so this is what row 1 should look like. So row 2 will be our repeat for the whole entire project, no matter how big you make it. So you want to start out by chaining 3, and then working the same pattern as in row 1, right in between the chain 2 pattern. So we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, followed by a chain 2, and then we'll repeat it in the next chain 2 spot. So it's just a whole bunch of 2s. So 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets again in the same place, 2 chains, then we'll go to the chain 2 space and do 2 double crochets, followed by chain 2, and then 2 double crochets. Now you want to make sure that you always start each row with chaining 3, that way we get to the right level that we need. And that's super easy. That's how you do the open shell stripe stitch pattern. Fun, eventful, and my cat approves. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.